Hello, my dear students. Now we are having next question. A proton describe a circle of radius 1 centimeter in a magnetic field of strength zero point 0.1 Tesla. Uh, what would be the radius of circle described by alpha particle moving with same speed in same magnetic field? So, if we are talking about proton, okay, the first case in which we are talking about the proton. So, in case of proton, if we are considering mass is equal to m and charge is equal to e, okay. And if we are comparing this proton with alpha particle, what is meaning of alpha particle? That is nucleus of helium. So if we are talking about alpha particle, so for this alpha particle the mass will be 4m. It is 4 times as compared to the proton. And if we consider charge, so the charge on alpha particle is double of proton, that is equal to 2e. So the radius r is equal to mv divided by eb in case of proton, so it can written as rp, okay. And the radius in case of alpha r alpha will be 4m. At the place of mass we have to use 4m, into velocity will be same because it is given in the question moving with same velocity, divided by e, so 2e into b, okay. The charge is 2 times that of the proton, so it can written as 2 into r of proton, so 2 times. So radius described by the alpha particle is 2 times of radius of proton, and the radius of proton is 1, so it is 2 centimeter, okay. So our answer is 2 centimeter.